Hello friends, welcome to Radha's Food Court and Vlogs. Today I'm here with one Ikea haul. So I'll show you what all things I bought from Ikea. I'm planning for a kitchen reorganization, so I bought stuff related to pantry reorganization and some small things which I need in the kitchen. This is a very small haul, and this is my first purchase from Ikea. Okay, let's see what all things I bought from Ikea. First thing I want to show is the container set which I'm going to use for storing my things, pantry things. My pantry needs lot of arrangement, so I need containers. So I bought this one, and I bought this containers, food container. These are all BPA free containers, and looks good. Different sizes are there, so totally I think different sizes and this similar one. I bought two colors, so it will be good for me, and I need all these things for my pantry organization. I will tell you the exact cost in the description box. I don't know exactly, sorry guys. Next thing, okay, next thing I bought is a dish drying mat. This will be very useful for us for drying the vessels. Yes. So as shown in the picture. Next thing which I want to show is one oil can which I bought. I will be using it for my daily oil usage. Two I bought. Then this is a cutlery stand which we can put the spoons. There are different compartments, spoons, knives and all. This will be useful for putting inside the wooden cupboards. It will be helpful for reorganization. Next thing is the spice jar. This is my favorite, and this is very handy, and we have two openings in this. This is one dot jar and opening, and this is the wider mouth opening. I don't know what to say for that. Anyways guys, this will be very useful for our daily spices usage. We can put it, no need to open it, put spoon, everything. We can save lot of time for searching here and there. What is the masalas, where is the masalas kept? We can, this is transparent, this is glass, so it will be very good. So next thing which I bought is one tray kind of thing where you can put your washed vessels or something, or even you can put your vegetables, anything, multi-usage. You can put even the groceries thing, your boxes, anything. So these all the things which I bought from Ikea. I will tell you the price and everything in the description section. This is my first unboxing video, and there will be flows, so please excuse, and I will be improving in the next video. Till then, see you, bye bye.